Hello lifestylers, it's Lushawn. If you just found my channel, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. So today's video is a little bit different. This is an unboxing of I believe it's called Aposen. I believe it's pronounced that way. I'll leave it on the screen. Cordless vac. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Dyson cordless vac. So my vacuum cleaner went out, and so yeah, I needed to get one, but I have stairs and all that. So my old vacuum cleaner was very cumbersome, you know, trying to do the stairs and all that good stuff. So I opted for a cordless, versatile one, and this one was really super inexpensive. It was like less than $100, plus I used my points on top of it, so I got it for really, like, it was like, I don't know, 70 or 80 bucks or something like that. And then I used points, so yeah, I'm super, you know, frugal at this time. So so this is my unboxing, and I would do a review of it as well. This is unsponsored, but I just wanted to show everyone that, you know, everyone doesn't have to go out and get the $700 Dyson cordless. You know, if you can't afford it, you do what your pockets will allow. So this is a budget-friendly vacuum cleaner that gives you kind of the same functions as a Dyson for way less money. So we shall see how it all pans out. So if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and break the seal on this. It's really super compact. I thought this would be a lot bigger than this, but this works. So as you can see how super compact this really is. So yeah, I'm shocked at how tiny this is. The boxing is, but yeah, it is called Aposen. It's an Aposen vacuum cleaner. So this is what it looks like. So it has the same look and feel of a Dyson cordless, trust me, but without the price. So it's a Aposen 2-in-1 cordless stick vacuum. So yeah, all right, so let's go ahead and get this show on the road. It's very lightweight too, I like that. So you have your instruction manual, which most of us never like to read. But yeah, it's everything here, just your safety notes, your warnings, the technical data on it, and then the components, the main body, the wall mount, and then the assembly to make sure you do it correctly. So, and then it tells you how to start with the operation. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get this open. So yeah, super compact here. So we have all of the parts and whatnot there. So here is the, I guess, the main hub and brain of the vacuum cleaner. Is really nice, very sleek. I love the design on this. Very sturdy. I like it a lot. It has a very modern, kind of sci-fi kind of feel to it, but really nice design. So that is that. This is where the battery goes. And then here is the brush module that when you're, you know, doing the floor, but As you can see, it turns in all kind of directions. So it actually goes straight flat, goes all the way flat so you can get up under things. So that's a plus. And I guess some stuff for the wall mount. So let's move some of this stuff out of the way. So we have the brush, the wall mount mechanism, and then you have the stick for different things that you're doing. So if you can use this in different ways. You can just have it and then attach this along with the brush attachment. And this is super cool. This looks like it adjusts. Let's see if we push this button. Oh yeah. Okay, so it's adjustable. You can make it as long or as short as you like. So that's pretty cool. Let's just take that back down to regular size. Then you have the upholstery. So like if you want to get in the crevices, you have this. Let's open this up really quickly. Maybe not. So far I'm super impressed with it. It feels very sturdy. It feels well built. Doesn't feel like cheap or flimsy at all. So I guess you can put this on here. Oh yeah, and it locks right in, clicks right in. So if you just, doing getting the crevices, with your couch and your sofa and your chairs and, along the wall and the corners, you can do that. Pretty simple, easy peasy kind of takeoff. Yeah, I'm like super impressed already. Have a little cleaner brush if you need to clear stuff out of the brush and some gets hooked in their hair or whatever. Then you have another brush attachment that you can utilize. So, and then here, if you want to mount, again, it's another type of mount where you can put your attachments. If you want to put, like have your wall mount and your attachments right by each other, you can mount that as well. Here is the adapter to go ahead and get it charged up. And here is the battery that you have to charge, and it has LED lighting on here, so you'll know exactly when it's full, what it's running down on. And yeah, the adapter goes here, and so I guess you mount right. So yeah, this goes here. So once you charge it up, once you put this in, I think it goes this way. Yes, no, maybe so. This way. I think. Okay. I guess I need to read the instructions, right? Yeah, probably need to do that. Yeah, let's go ahead and, all right, so let's continue with this unboxing. So yeah, so I'll figure all that out. I'll read all the instructions and how everything works, and then I will give it a spin, check it out, see how everything is coming along, if it has great suction, and what you can use it for as far as the different attachments. But like I said, right now I'm very, very impressed with the Aposen. Yeah, so this is a little filter tray, so it's pretty simple to just dump it. Seems like super easy peasy to do that. So yeah, I'm right now, just from the look and the feel of it, and how sturdy it feels. It doesn't feel cheap or you know, like you know, it's inexpensive, but it's built like it's very expensive, and the design is super cool. So yeah, so just wanted to show you this quick unboxing, and I'm gonna review it, you know, get it together. I'm gonna read the manual first, get it put together, and it looks pretty simple. And I think though, when I was just quickly thumbing through the manual, I think I have to charge the battery for at least 4 to 5 hours before I can use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it all set up. I already know where I'm gonna put it in my laundry room, so that it can stay on the charger, and so when I need it I can just whip it right out and do what I have to do. But yeah, so
2,000 years later.
all right, so it's all put together. I let it charge for a little bit. It was super easy to assemble. So now let's go ahead and test this out. I think I need to adjust this stick a little bit longer, so we're just gonna adjust this. So it's super easy to do that. So here's the actual vacuum part of it. So super lightweight, easy to carry. Got the battery installed and just clip right in there. This is the turbo. It has a turbo button. So let's go ahead and start it in regular mode and then see how turbo works. So you just push a button here, and you don't have to hold it. And you can just, as you can see, it has that swivel. And this is just a carpet, a rug, a large rug, area rug that I'm using it on. So it's not like a deep pile, it's just a low profile carpet, but it easily transitions over to the floor, gets up under things. The suction's pretty good, picking up everything. Nothing's being pushed around or blown away. It's actually picking it up. You hit the turbo button. Now the turbo button will use your battery faster, I'm told. So, but yeah, it's super cool. It goes right under. It's really neat. It just went right under there. Nothing prohibiting it from going underneath the furniture. And like I said, it's really picking up everything, no problem. So I'm trying to took the turbo off because honestly, I didn't really need it. Just to show you guys what's going on with it. So yeah, it's swiveling and picking up and going underneath things without being hindered. No problem picking up. So my first impression is that I'm loving it. I'm going to take the attachment off, the stick attachment, the brush attachment, and then I'm gonna give it a try on the stairs. Okay, so here at the stairs, and I have switched the attachment. It was easy peasy, took all of 2 nanoseconds to take one off and put one on. Just push the button and it clipped right off, and then just push this in and it clipped right in, clicked right in. So we're gonna give the stairs a try now. My stairs, I do have separate little carpet pieces on each stair just to protect the stairs, but yeah, so let's go ahead and give this a try. tell you right now, I am totally loving this. This is so much easier than trying to balance my vacuum cleaner and change out the attachments and then put it on here. This is super duper easy. Easy peasy. It gets in the corners. So my first impression, I am thoroughly impressed. So totally loving it. So yeah, this is a winner for me right now. I'll come back in a month and let you all know how it's been holding up, but loving it so far. So yeah, so if you've lasted this long in the video with my little review of the Aposen 2-in-1 cordless stick vacuum cleaner, totally loving it for the price and for what it does. The suction, the convenience, the lightweightness of it. I'm impressed. So yeah, so if you've lasted this long in this video, you already know you are a lifestyler. And until my next video, hugs and love. Bye.